The district and the community is very interested in reducing our carbon footprint, becoming more green, be more sustainable. By putting in the panels and the arrays on our 4 different schools, we're able to reduce our electric usage, and then that's an annual savings for the district. So those will accumulate over time and free up other monies for us to use, whether it's academic or for these other energy efficient projects. Clean energy and climate change are also parts of our student curriculum. It's a way to set examples for the students and to show them sort of hands-on what that looks like. And it also opens up the door for them to start thinking about careers that they may not have thought of in the past that may relate to green energy or clean energy. We've also worked with Solar Landscape to develop an energy dashboard, if you will, so that students can see what kind of energy is being generated and get into the details a little bit so that they understand how to be better stewards of the environment.